Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm checking out Kanguva. We've got a Sizzle teaser. Yo, I've heard a lot about this movie. I heard that this is going to be the best movie ever. So let's check this out. It's only a teaser. So yeah, let's jump into it. Check it out. Let's go. Yo. Whoa. Damn. Yo. Oh, hold up. Nah. Yo, there's a lot going on there. I know it's only a teaser, but there was a lot happening. Hold up. Let's just check this out one more time. Let's just break this down. Wait. Hold up. Okay. So what's that? They got private ships or what? Yo, those dead bodies there, crazy. Ruthless. Yo, look at that. Yo. Damn. Look how that guy was holding those two guys by their necks. Oh my God. Wow. Okay. Yo, first impressions. It looks like this is going to be all out war. Wow. Now, I'm not too sure. It looked like they had different tribes and they're all coming together for this, I don't know, for this battle. That's what it looked like. Maybe I'm wrong, but this is only my first impressions. Now, I've watched enough of these movies to see that this is going to be epic. Now, if you haven't, go and check out my second channel, B.N.D Cineflix, where I have reacted to a lot of Bollywood movies, Tollywood movies. I've got Salah, I've done Tiger, I've done Jawan. If you're interested, just go to the link in the description down below and hopefully you will enjoy my movie reactions. But as for this Kanguva Caesar teaser, I definitely want to watch this. Absolutely. This teaser is giving me enough. I don't need any more. So bring it on. This movie is definitely coming out this year. I just don't know when. But hopefully I will get a chance to watch it. Obviously, I have to wait until it streams. But definitely a movie worth checking out. Okay, all right, guys. Anyway, I'm going to leave it here. And of course, if you like what you saw, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And if you have any recommendations, any suggestions on which videos you want me to react to, just leave a comment down below. Okay, I'll catch you on the next reaction, and I'm out.